Welcome to this guide on how to use the Canva AI Image Generator. Generating images with AI can be incredibly useful, so let's dive in. Navigate to the left side of the screen and click on Apps at the bottom left. Then search for Canva Apps and type in Magic Media. Locate the app and click on Open. Next, describe what you want to create. If you're working on an image, select Image, then provide a description. Select the desired format and choose the style you prefer. Click on Generate Image. The AI will start generating images based on your description. Once it's done, you'll see the images it has created. If you're satisfied, click on the image to add it to your project. If not, you can click on Generate again for more options. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.